Hello and welcome to this ZENworks highlights on the ZCC console watch list. This video will highlight the ZCC watch list that is very useful to testing and monitoring devices, policies, and/or bundles. It gives each ZCC admin a direct link to those objects that they are working on or troubleshooting. This list is personalized for each of the ZCC admin logins. Unlike frequently used, which is the most frequently used objects, which can vary, these are static and remain in the watch list for the ZCC admin until removed. Let's log in. The watch list exists on the home page on the right hand side. Currently I have a launch IE which will fail actions because I have it launching from the wrong directory. So let's go ahead and apply a workstation to this. Let's go over to our Windows 10 machine. Look at our bundles. There's our Internet Explorer. Let's put this particular bundle into the watch list and the device into the watch list. You could do the same thing with policies as well. So currently there are no errors in launch IE because it's launch only, and until we launch it we won't receive an error. Let's go back over to our Windows 10, which should give us a failure. We'll go ahead and say yes, and it should fail a second time. Now let's go see what the error posts. Let's look in our login and see what we find. There's our error for IE. Let's go back to ZCC and see if we find the error there. Notice launch IE shows, if we go to the desktop, we get the error 2 times, which is what we noticed. If we go back home, and we go to the bundle itself, we can see it also has the error. After reviewing the error, we'll go ahead and correct that. We'll go ahead and apply and publish so that it's version 1. We'll go ahead and acknowledge the messages so that they're cleared out for this one. We could have put it in test mode and sent it to the test device. Go back over to Windows 10. Refresh. Wait for version 1 to come up. Looks good. And that one functions properly. So by reviewing this, you can see that you can put in this watch list many items that you're testing. This could be similar to a project list. And this is really good for different deployments of policies and bundles to monitor them to make sure that they're accurate before you deploy to production units. More watch list information can be found in the documentation or on the help page in ZCC here. This concludes the ZENworks highlight of the ZCC console watch list.